friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss our fifth question. What we have to find it here is find 12th term in geometric progression. They are given that 8th term is equals to 192 and common ratio is 2. So here we know that is what is the formula of nth term in geometric progression. So what is the nth term? So let's going to write it. Nth term in geometric progression, an will be equal to ar power n minus 1. So this is the nth term. So as we know, that is first term we don't know, we have to find it. On common ratio they are given that 2 and a8. So a8 will be equal to 192. So a8 will be equal to a into r power 8 minus 1. So r power 8 minus 1. Can you do like this or not? Yes, we can do it. So a into r will be equal to what? 2 power 8 minus 1 will be equal to 7. Then 192. A will be equal to 192 by 2 power 7. So 2 power 7, that is 2 power 5 will be equal to 32. 32 2s are 4s are, we have to find it. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 128. So 192 by 128, this is the first term. So can you calculate with 4? So 4 128 means 32. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 means 3 will be 4 8s are 32. So 4 8s are 32. So what you can find it? 16 2s are 16 3s are. So a will be equal to 3 by 2. Can you do like this or not? Yes. So this is the answer first term. Now we have to find what is the A12th term. So what is the A12? So A12 will be equal to, that is AR power n minus 1. So as we know, that is A will be equal to 3 by 2. R will be equal to what? That is 2 power 12 minus 1. So we can do, so 3 by 2 into 2 power 11. So sorry, here 3 by 2. 2 power 11. So that is 3 by 2 into 2 power 10. Can you write like this or not? Yes. So by using of formula a power m into a power n, that is a power m plus n. So this is the formula I used here. So 11 will be divided into 1 and 10. So 2 will going to cancel, and 3 into 2 power 10. So 3 into 2 power 10. So this is the 12th term in a geometric progression. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.